Welcome to House of Accounts. In this video we are going to see the non-profit organization questions. Let's see the next question from non-profit organization. Every question has its different impact. Every question has little bit different. Everything we have to solve the same way, but the question, to understand the question, is a little different things. Okay, here you can see let's zoom it little bit. Okay, the following is the statement of assets and liabilities of Hyderabad Library Association as on 30 June 2004. So capital fund outstanding means assets and liabilities given. Okay, means opening balance sheet is given already 30 June. The following are the cash transaction for the year ended, means receive. These are the receipt, these are the payment, receive and payment. That is also known as cash book. It was ascertained that 2000, okay, 2000 were outstanding by way of subscription and 450 for lecture hall. Okay, for outstanding means pending subscription is 2000 and lecture hall rent is 450. Outstanding expenses are estimated 750 pending expenses, and insurance prepaid means already paid to the extent of 150. Okay, prepare income and expenditure account for the year ended for the year and balance sheet as on 30 June 2005 after providing for depreciation on building 2% and on library books 10%. So let's start. Income and expenditure account as on, okay, as on 30 June 2005. Okay, now let's see salaries. How much salaries? 2400. But before, there is already given here opening balance sheet, so we have to compare both also. Outstanding expenses 2650. Here is there. Here is outstanding expenses 2650. So these expenses belongs to last year. So no need to take these expenses 2650. Okay. Salaries how much? 2400. So right here salary 2400. Okay. Next. Salary 2400. Tax and insurance 1200. So tax and insurance has adjustment because there is a prepaid expenses also, prepaid insurance also there. So let's make a detail column. Okay, so we have made a detail column, so we need to do some adjustment here for proper line if we want to get all the entries into proper line. Okay, so taxes insurance is 1200, 1200. Okay, let's see. Next, addition to library means books. There is already a asset books, so that's why we are addition, means it's a purchase, not expenses. It's not expenses, it is assets. Okay, the next thing, outstanding expenses of last year. Last year outstanding expenses we have paid current year. Okay, but these expenses belongs to last year, so leave it. Don't take in income and expenditure account. It is also known as current year profit and loss account. So take the only entries relating to current year only. So here, next, after outstanding expenses, next, printing and stationery 650. Okay, so printing and stationery 650. So right here printing directly 650. Next, sundry expenses 200. Here there is a outstanding expenses also there. Outstanding expense 750. So sundry expenses how much? 200. So write in inner column. So we have some adjustment on it. Okay, so for that purpose I am making these entries. Okay, for this entry also, no, don't take this one, take this one. Okay, Alright, let's see. After sundry expenses, this is known as balance carried on, means this is cash balance. It will come in closing balance sheet. We will take it later. Now debit side, balance brought forward means opening cash. It will come in opening balance sheet, but there is already we have taken. Okay, let it be. Entrance fees. So it is not mentioned anything about the entrance fees. Okay, so it was capitalized like this, nothing is mentioned. That's why I take the entrance fees 2600 here, 2600. Next, subscription overall 9500. So how much is the subscription? 9500. Next, sale of furniture. Okay, sale of furniture means, is there any furniture is there, investment furniture is there. So sale of furniture we have to take in balance sheet, not here, because we don't know what is the price, whether it is profit or loss on furniture. So don't take it. Rent of lecture hall, how much? 1040. So take it here, 1040 rent of lecture hall. Proceed of entertainment. For entertainment proceed, somebody is given amount, so directly take outside. It's 3000. Okay, next. So all entries are over. Now let's check it with opening balance sheet. We have to check with opening balance sheet right now. Why? Because there is maybe a subscription of last year, so we have taken here, so that's why. Cash, it's in balance sheet, it is already there. Furniture is there, it's assets. Book account is also asset. Investment is also asset. Building is also asset. Outstanding subscription means there is a subscription of last year 1750. This subscription outstanding means pending subscription. Definitely this subscription will receive in this year only, and it is included in 9500. So we have to delete this 1750 from 9500. Okay, because it is belongs to last year. Take here minus last year subscription. Okay, how much? Write into the bracket 1750. Next, there is a lecture. Okay, rent of lecture hall outstanding means lecture hall rent also pending 350. Definitely this will come, we will receive in current year only. Last year pending amount will receive in current year, so this 350 is included in 1040 here. So we have to deduct this amount because it is belongs to last year. If we take, okay, if we take here, so we don't know the current year true profit, so that's why delete the last year's amount. Last year, okay, how much? 350. So right here 350. Now, so all the things are over. Outstanding expenses we have taken here, so this belongs to last year, that's why we have left this one. It was ascertained that 2000 were outstanding by way of subscription and 450 for lecture hall, means present year outstanding. So right here plus add this one, current year outstanding. Okay, here also you can write current year outstanding. How much current year outstanding is? 2000. So what we have to do is just take down this one. Okay, so we can add here for lecture hall also. Current year outstanding. How much? 450. Because we have to add this amount, so that's why I'm not taking in bracket. Now after subscription, outstanding expenses, how much? 750. So there is expenses 200 we have to pay. Apart from that, there is a outstanding expenses also. Outstanding expenses, how much? 750 is the outstanding expenses. Okay, 750. After that, insurance is prepaid to the extent of 150, means insurance is prepaid. Prepaid means already paid insurance. So we have to pay, we are paying presently taxes in insurance, tax and insurance. So here what we have to do, we have to pay presently 1200. So we have already prepaid means already paid some amount, that is 150. So deduct this amount, okay, prepaid. So what we have to do is we have to pay less amount because we have already made some transaction here. Okay, 150. So outside write 1050 after deducting this amount. Okay, so prepaid insurance is over. Now on account of balance sheet on okay, after providing depreciation on building 2% and library books 10%. See here how much is the building? Building is 14,000, so we have to take 2% as a depreciation. So right here 14,000 into 2%. So let's calculate on Calc. So 14,000 into 2%. How much? 280 is the depreciation. So write depreciation here directly 280. Okay. Then on library, depreciation on library 10%. First let's see the library amount. How much is library? Library means books, 17,850. So right here 17,850 into 5%. So 5%, 10%, 10%. Sorry, let's say 10%. So 17,850 into 10% is definitely it will come 1,785. Okay. So now we want to calculate the surplus, whether it is surplus or deficit, losses. So both the entries we have taken here. Okay. So now let's calculate. Okay, first we have to calculate this one. After deducting 750, 250 is the, okay, 1750 deduct from 2000, so 250 is the remaining. So add this 250 to 9500. So right here 9750. This one deduct 350 from 450, so 100 is there, so add 100 to this 1040, so 1140. Okay, so here 950. Okay, so let's see whose 9000 is the bigger amount here. So there will be definitely surplus, means profit. So right, calculate on Calc here 2600 plus 9750 plus 1140 plus 3000, 16,490. so right here 16,490. Now calculate surplus. Sorry, 16,490 minus 2,400 minus 1,050 minus 650 minus 950 minus 280 minus 1785. 9,375. Let's check whether it is same or not. 9,375, same, we are getting the profit. So right here 9,375. So overall amount 16,490. Okay, now the closing balance sheet. For this purpose we have to see every single entries. Okay, every single entry we have to check. First take all the entries from opening balance sheet. Okay, and writing this one in red color. Okay, so first take all the entries from opening balance sheet. Okay, let it be cash. Furniture is 5850, so right here furniture. Before that we have to add a detail column, inner column. Okay, okay, so before that let's adjust this entries first to arrange this one to match with the lines. Okay, now we can do problem. Okay, furniture, how much furniture? 5850. So right here furniture is 5850. Again after furniture, book account 17850. Right, books 17850. Write all inner column, whatever the adjustment, which entries we have adjustment, write all that entries into the, all those entries into the inner column. Investment 5000, building 14000. So write investment directly outside because we don't have any adjustment on it. Investment 5000, building 14000. So right here 14000. Okay, next after building outstanding subscription doesn't required. Capital fund 44350. Right here capital fund 44350. Surplus is also here, take surplus directly 9375. Now so we have taken all these entries here from opening balance sheet. Now go with cash transaction, receive and payment. First receive account, balance for brought forward means opening cash we have already taken here. Entrance fees we have taken, subscription also taken, sale of furniture we have not taken, so 660 will be deduct from furniture. Okay, so here minus sale. So how much sale? So write in bracket 660. Next sale of furniture, rent of lecture hall, procedure of retirement. Salaries we have taken, rent and already. Tax and insurance also taken, addition to library. So this is the asset we have to take now, 1250. So right here in balance sheet, closing balance sheet as on 31st June 2005. So write in books here plus addition. So right here 1250. 1250. Next last year expenses, printing stationery also there. Electric installation means ACs, fan, light. So those are also known as assets, 4500. So write electronics here, $4,500. Electric installation. Okay, electronic installation. Okay, now electric installation sundry expenses also we have taken, balance carried on. This is a cash transaction, so this is the closing cash 6150. So right here in closing balance sheet, how much is the cash? Is there any entry for cash? No, we don't have made cash. So write cash here 6150. 6150. Now okay, after that, so we have completed opening balance sheet and receive and payment. Now go for here. It was ascertained 2000 were present year outstanding pending subscription on pending rent of lecture hall which we have to receive. So right here outstanding subscription. How much outstanding subscription? 2000 we have to receive. Okay. So after outstanding subscription, rent of lecture hall rent, outstanding hall rent how much? 450. Okay, 450. After that, outstanding rent of lecture hall, outstanding expenses also there, so we have to pay some expenses, that is outstanding means pending expenses. How much? 750. So right here outer column 750. Okay. After that, prepaid insurance also 150. Prepaid expenses is a 150. So right here prepaid insurance. Prepaid insurance how much? It is 150. Okay, prepaid insurance is 150. Now is there anything we have to do? After that, building depreciation, library books we have to remove. So depreciation how much on building? 280, and library 1785. So right here for depreciation on building, here $280 building, and on books depreciation it's 1785. Okay, so what we have to do is to make this clearly, just move it down. Okay, after investment also move it down, this one also, after library also. Okay, so now it is in clear format. So it is in clear format totally. So we have taken all the entries here. Now surplus also we have taken. So is there any entry remaining? So we don't have any entries here. Library electric installation, that is, so library we have already taken addition to the book, so let it be this one. Okay, now let's calculate the balance sheet. First here, then there. 9,375 plus 44,350. 44,350. 53,000. So right here, how much? 53,725. So write 53,725. Then add 75 in it, plus 750. So 54,475. Right here, 54,475. Let's check. 54,475 is here. So we have to add all asset side also. First calculate this one. 5850 minus 660. 5190. So right here 5,190. Next 17,850 plus 1250 minus 1,785. How much? 17,315. So right here 17,315. Okay, $17,315. So add all the amount here. Also we have to make some adjustment. 14,000 minus 280, 13,720. So right here 13,720. Okay, now add all the entries plus 5,000, so plus 17,315 plus 5190 plus 4,500 plus 6150 plus 2,000 plus 450 plus 150. 54,475 is the answer. 54,475. Okay, this is how we have to do closing balance sheet. Okay, there's not that much of heavy work, but it is very easy. So this is the way we have to prepare closing balance sheet, and this is the way we have to prepare income and expenditure account. Okay, so this is the question number second. So set to 12. If you like the video, if you want more video regarding the non-profit organization, you can go to the House of Accounts, where there is a playlist, so you can find the non-profit organization more videos.